Hello, this is the chapter summary for week 2, and I'm moving it now into week 3 so that when you start it, you see it because you may not go back to week 2. So anyway, here's our summary from the chapter, and I thought your discussion boards were excellent. We introduced NetLabs, and that was quite a task, but I'm very impressed in how you made it through it. And I know that these are two of the harder ones. Also, we took a quick quiz, and I'll give you the responses on that right now, just to make sure you know what it was supposed to be. And I'll do quiz statistics. There we go. And we did pretty good on it. Obviously, some people got 100%, some people got different. But the first question was on a client-server network. Clients and servers usually what's required, and that's a connectivity device. So we did pretty well collectively. Everybody got the topology, which based on your NetLabs, I'd hope so. What part of the Mac is the OUI? That's really going to be important, and it's going to come up again in the next chapter. So kind of look for that, because that's the manufacturer part of the NIC and the MAC address. That's your physical address. All right. Which of the following circumstances would be the most desirable and uses connectionless transport layer protocol? Well, there's TCP and there's UDP. TCP is connection oriented. It checks everything before it sends. It's very particular and it takes longer to transport, but it's a guaranteed arrival. UDP goes on the fly. So it's a user datagram, and basically it doesn't worry about what order it arrives in and things like that. It's more like something that we're willing to accept a couple lost frames for speed. And that's why when you look at these choices, it should definitely have been when viewing a movie on the web, because, or anywhere, anything that you can just make it fly down. So what if I lose a little bit of it? It's fine. But I can't lose an important spreadsheet or graphic intensive website and things like that. Those would definitely have to be TCP. But this is the key, and on those two, this is a key word. Connectionless is UDP, connection oriented is TCP. Okay, great. Everybody got the star topology, and we almost, okay, a firewall protecting access of a database, okay, will fail open. Basically, we don't want it to fail open if it's protecting access to the database. All right, that's good for this.